Okay, so we are working on page 65. You are going to place counters as shown, which we don't have. So trace the lines to match a counter in the top 5 frame to a counter below. Count how many in each set. Let's do it. We're going to draw our line down from the top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, top. Oh, there is no counter here, so we're not going to draw a line. We only drew a line if it had a counter to connect with. Okay, so let's see how many are on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 counters on the top. Let's see how many are on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Are those numbers the same? 5 and 4? No, they are not. Which one is greater? Greater means a bigger number. So if we pretended that these were cookies, we would want the bigger amount of cookies, the ones that had more, the greater amount. You will hear greater a lot. So if we pretended these were cookies, which color cookies would we rather have? The yellow cookies, right? Because there are more yellow than red. Because if you count them, we said there were 5. And 5 is a bigger number than 4. You can also tell by looking at the 5 frame, and you see that the 5 frame with the yellow has 1 more than the red. Okay, let's turn the page. Now what we're going to do is we are going to count and tell how many counters are in each set. We will trace the number and compare the sets by matching. So let's see. Let's count. There's 1 red. So you are going to trace the number 1. And there are 1, 2 yellow. So you will trace the number 2. Now we have to compare the sets. Circle the number that is greater than the other one. Remember, greater means bigger. It means more. Which one has more? The red or the yellow? Yes, the yellow has more because there's 2, and 2 is a bigger number than 1. Okay, now I'm going to have you do this one. We'll go over it. I want you to do it by yourself after I say. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3. You'll write the number 3 over here. 1, 2. Write the number 2. Circle the one that has a greater amount. Which one has a greater amount? 3 or 2? Now you're going to go to the next page, okay? We're going to look at number 3. You see the red counters and you see the yellow counters. We are going to count them and tell how many are in each set. You're going to do this by yourself. Count them. Write the number. Count them. Write the number. Circle the set that has a greater number. The red or the yellow. Which one has the greater number? You are going to circle them. Then when you are done, you're going to do the same thing with number 4. You are going to count, write the number, count, write the number, and circle the one that has the greater amount. Okay, we do that. And that is it.